From a dangerous pileup on a busy highway to a reckless driver that lost control and went off-roading. Here are 25 incredible moments caught on Dashcam. This lady couldn't have picked a worse time to cross the road. Luckily, she was all right. Here's a perfect example of why you should always look before merging.
I got dog shit knife. Yo! What the What the
This distracted driver nearly caused a terrible wreck when they tried to make an exit at the last second. The truck ahead decides it's time for an impromptu lane swap. No signals, no warning. Just a reckless dash across the lanes. This is why you shouldn't tailgate on the highway. If the car in front of you hits the brakes, you've got no time to react.
Алиса, отметь ДТП.
Imagine driving down the highway at night when this happens. What would you do?
God must have had a great sense of humor to invent.
Do you go along, Gilbert?
Of course I do, I'm the master.
Son of a...
Talking about sex. Perfectly correct. Hardly your subject, dear. God. Yeah. Great sense of humor to invent.
Do you go along, Gilbert?
Of course I do, I'm the master.
Son of a bitch!
Talking about sex. Perfectly correct. Hardly your subject.
Getting caught in a hailstorm is no fun. These people learned that firsthand.
On to nie przestanie, to zostaniemy.
This gray car thought he could make this red light. He thought wrong. Watch this driver lose control while towing a trailer. That poor semi was in the wrong place at the wrong time. This man was off-roading in a snowstorm when another RZR came around the corner a bit too fast.
Oh. Y'all good? Y'all okay? Just a little mud scrape off. Sweet, good to go!
Talk about a close call. This tight turn nearly led to a head-on collision.
What the f are you doing, idiot? Oh my god!
This driver in the Subaru decided to ignore this truck's blinker and nearly paid the price. This next clip is a perfect example why you should always watch for oncoming traffic even when you have the right of way.
Qué pendejo. Todo por pasar filtro.
This motorcyclist maneuvers through the narrow space and darts into an active lane. This truck either hit a patch of ice or just simply lost control on this icy Russian road. Not sure what was going through this driver's mind to make a turn like this.
Absolutely, that's why I want this stuff to take off.
Soup that eats like a meal. Oh, what the are you doing, dude?
Good job, Zach. Thank God.
I wasn't even trying to turn there, but
I know.
look, I am now. See, that's why I want the dash cam. Now I got one to submit the trash dash. Look at that.
Get that car.
Yeah.
This driver saw the traffic up ahead and decided to change lanes without looking, a bad choice. This red light runner caught a sweet case of instant karma. This white car decided it was a good time to merge into an active lane. Thankfully, our driver was paying attention. Speed and reckless driving are rarely a good combo. Safe to say the driver of this orange car learned their lesson. This Honda Fit decided red lights don't apply to them. Talk about a bad time to merge. This crash quickly turned into a massive pileup. Red lights and close calls seem to go together a bit too well.
Oh, shoot! Oh! Yeah, that was about to be bad. Super bad.
Wow.
That's all for today, folks. Click on the video to your left for more exciting dashcam content. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we can keep producing similar content. See you at the next one.